Okay, so imperative verbs are bossy verbs, which means they are giving an instruction. So they're telling somebody what to do. So imperative verbs, they make a sentence into an imperative sentence, which contains an order or a command. So an imperative sentence will sound quite bossy. So it's not a question or a discussion. It contains an order or a command. So some examples of imperative verbs that we've got here are hold, tidy, measure, spread, slice. So these are going to be really helpful when we're writing our instruction text. So here we have got lightly tap the egg against the side of the bowl and open the egg carefully, making sure the egg yolk falls into the bowl. Be careful not to get any shell in the bowl. So as you can see here, our imperative verbs are tap and open because they're the words that tell the reader what to do. So if we look at this picture here, what words could we use to instruct the person what to do in this picture? So we could say, roll the dough into a ball. And our imperative verb here would be roll, because that is the verb that is telling us what to do. Then cut the dough in half. So our imperative verb that is telling us what to do here is cut.